I have these shovels that I found at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using 8 of them, and I'm marking 4 inches on the wood handle. And then I'm going to bring them over to my miter saw and cut them all on the marked line. Now I have 4 in yellow, 4 in blue. It does not matter if they are all different colors, as I'm going to spray paint them with some black spray paint. This spray paint was good for plastic. I'm going to allow them to fully dry, and then on 4 of them, I'm going to take some Wise Owl Snow Owl paint, and using my chip brush, I'm just going to dry brush the white paint on top of the black. So I do not want full coverage, but I just want a little bit of the white brushed on. I'm going to set those 4 aside. I'm going to take 4 more, and using some Wise Owl Goldenrod, I'm going to lightly dry brush the goldenrod on the remaining 4. So I did 4 with the white dry brush and 4 with the yellow dry brush. And these chip brushes you can find pretty much at any hardware store, and you can also get them off of Amazon. Next, I found this sign from Dollar Tree. It says, "Plant seeds of happiness, kindness, and love." And I'm just going to remove the stake and the jute hanger from the back of the sign. Now I have 2 wood circle cutouts. The smaller wood circle cutout I'm gluing in the center, and I'm just using kind of as a guide. And I'm going to glue these shovels around the wood circle cutout, alternating between the 2 different colors. So I glued my yellow ones down first, and then I placed the white dry brushed shovels in between the yellow ones. And I'm just using some hot glue. Now I have a second wood circle cutout that I'm then going to glue on top, making sure that the circles line up with each other. Once that's in place, I'm then going to take some more Wise Owl Snow Owl, and I'm just going to dry brush on the wood that is exposed, which was the wood part of the shovel. And I'm then going to glue the sign we got from the Dollar Tree right in the center. I have some raffia, and I'm going to make these small little bows using the raffia, and I'm going to place them on each shovel. And I'll hold those down with a little bit of hot glue as well. I get these small wood half-bead circles from Amazon. They are already pre-painted. They are white, and I'm going to place them around the Dollar Tree sign, and I'm gluing those down as well. And there you go. Now we have a cute little wreath for your garden or your front door. Thank you so much for watching. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials over on our webpage. Have a great day.